Summer is almost here. Summer body loading. Are you trying to lose weight and you want to lose it fast and the healthy way? Not just fast but healthy. Keep watching, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Okay, guys, let's dive right into today's topic. I'm super excited and pumped about this one. You know, when it comes to weight loss, I'm always excited. You guys know that, right? If you know me very well, if you're following me on Instagram or on other social media platforms, if you're not, you should actually. You would know that currently I'm trying to lose some weight. I'm presently doing the 2 weeks bloating challenge that I promised to upload. It's going to end in 2 days, so I promise to upload it once it's done. So guys, I'm excited. Alright guys, so how to lose weight really fast. First, there is no other science to it. We already know that to lose weight you need caloric deficit. It's simple mathematics. Input plus output is what we get. So when your input is greater than your output now being your exercise, will definitely gain weight when your input is more. But when the output is greater, then that's the caloric deficit. Then you lose weight. Simple as that. As simple as ABC. Okay guys, so and I've gotten some comments like, why are you trying to lose weight, you're not fat, blah 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 blah. That's true, but after I had my baby, I gained a couple of weight. I gained some kgs, and initially postpartum, my postpartum weight was about 69, but I've lost most of it. I don't know how, but I did. I've lost most of it already, and currently I'm just trying to tone down my body and get into my desired weight of 57. My prenatal weight was about 55, but 57 is good for me. And more so, when I did my BMI, it was a bit high for me. It was within the normal 18.5 to 25 range, but to me it was tending towards more of 25. And because I'm not a very tall person, I cannot afford to gain so much weight. I'm going to leave the link to the BMI calculator in the description box, so make sure you check your BMI as well to see where you belong and what you need to do. Okay guys, so also because the weight I'm having right now is mostly around my trunk region, is looking towards truncal obesity, and this predisposes to a lot of conditions: hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, name it, truncal obesity is listed. So in order to, and because genetically I'm a black person, I'm genetically predisposed to all these diseases, so anything to just reduce the chances of having these conditions, why not? And I'm always pumped. So what am I doing currently, guys? Oh, I forgot to mention mental health. Losing weight for me is therapeutic, so it's no stress, it's fun to me, and as much as possible I don't put myself through stress when I'm trying to lose weight. That's why I said it's fun. So you really need to smash that subscribe button now, so you get to know ways that I do it and I don't feel stressed, and I don't pant and do all the eat, exercise, and then run out of breath and try to no guys. So but for this part today, I'm only telling you guys how I'm doing, how my journey has been going so far. I'm on a diet, but there's a but. It's a diet that is non-restrictive. I'm eating my normal food, but in controlled portion control. That's all I'm taking into consideration, and I've incorporated a couple of smoothies. So at the end of this video, keep watching, watch till the end. I'm going to put up video of the recipes, how I make those smoothies. They are healthy smoothies and they are very yummy. They are very yummy smoothies. You're going to enjoy it. For this particular video, I'm going to be showing you the smoothies that I take. So that's going to follow after this intro part of the video. And for subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you the exercise that I do, how I tone different parts of my body, and how I do total body weight loss. Keep watching, guys. For the first smoothie, that's the list right there: cucumber, apple, celery and ginger. I made sure to have more vegetables than fruit. This is to in turn boost my metabolism and cause weight loss and cause belly blast as well. So I pour all that into the blender and I added water and I blended it till it was 1, 2, 3, come on! This mix right here. Come on! For smoothie number 2, I had banana, cucumber, ginger and lemon. I used half of this lemon, by the way. I squeezed the lemon and I removed the seed, although I think it was almost seedless though. I think it was only one seed. I removed the seed and then I added my spinach to it. You could also use kale, and if you notice with this smoothie as well, there is more vegetables. That's the signature with my smoothies. There's always more vegetables. That way you cannot go wrong with it. I don't put a lot of fruits so that it doesn't complicate my my digestive system or anything, and I use water to blend this particular green smoothie. So I put everything there. The spinach was about 3 cups. I put everything in the blender. I added water and I blended till it was smooth. Look at that jug of green yummy goodness. Wow. For the third smoothie, I'll be using half cup of oats, 1 banana, a scoop of peanut butter and milk. In this case, I'm using plant-based milk, not dairy. Plant-based milk. That's the Alpro soya unsweetened. So this one would not give me any form of lactose intolerance or anything. So I put the mix together in the jug and I blend it. And oftentimes I always use this as a form of meal replacement. It is a meal replacement. You will be filled when you take this, and like, you don't need any snack after taking this. You won't feel hungry because of the high fiber that is in oats. So this is actually a really good and healthy option, and trust me, it doesn't contain so much calories. I think it's just about 300 calories. So this is a very good one. Whoa, look at that. That's really nice. Alright guys, these are my 3 fat blasting smoothies. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.